Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add or change photos on your listing within the Airbnb application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Airbnb application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into the home page. Now, first of all, you may need to switch into hosting mode. So tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on switch to hosting. Once you have switched to hosting mode, you can click on the listings option at the bottom section and you will now find your listing. Go ahead and tap on it, and within the listing editor, you will find your photo tour section. Go ahead and tap on your photo tour, and you can now tap on the plus icon at the top right corner in order to add photos. Go ahead and tap on the add photos option, and you can now upload your photos from your device. You can also add a space or room, and then tap on the next button in order to add photos for this particular category. You can then tap on the add photo option and then upload from your device. Take one from your camera or choose from the ones that you have uploaded previously. From there, you can simply choose your photos that you wish to add. And finally, you can then tap on the upload button to upload these pictures. You can do this with various other categories as well, and also add various other details if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add and change your photos on the Airbnb application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.